Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to walk with proper posture. And this will be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. If you want to know how to walk with proper posture, this is the video for you. It's just a simplistic tutorial. Let's get into this instructional video. Okay, so a lot of the times when people walk, they have posture that is pretty decent, but it's not proper. I'm going to show you how to turn that decent posture into proper posture, okay? So basically, this is generally speaking like how a lot of people walk. I see them walk like this, myself included oftentimes. But when you make a conscious effort to walk with proper posture, you're going to improve on that. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. So the first thing that you want to do, okay, is just try and straighten out your back. Like just generally, I'm going to go on my tippy toes. I should have probably angled the camera a little bit lower, but it's all good. You just generally want to straighten out your back. So just instead of going like this, you just want to like bring your back backwards a bit, just like that. So just straighten out your back. Then from that point, when your back is pretty much as straight as it feels straight, okay, you want to take your shoulders and roll them back ever so slightly, just like this. Perfect. Just like that. Just like that. Okay? So this is how my shoulders and my back are. And I do have to say, I look pretty jacked right now. Like I look like I'm like pumping weights, and I'm not, I'm a father of 4, so I'm always doing stuff. I have 4 young kids, so I'm always on the go, right? But right now, when I turn myself to get like proper posture, I look much more muscular. So that's a very good thing. It'll help improve your aesthetic as well. So anyways, straighten your back out, take your shoulders, pull them back ever so slightly. Okay, then I'm going to turn to the front over here. And when you have your back and your shoulders taken care of, what you're going to want to do is then your chin. So usually your chin might be like this. You're going to take your chin and just bring it up a little bit. Just like that, okay? And then kind of bring your neck back ever so slightly if you can. Just like this. And there you go. At this point, this is proper posture. Now you're going to want to loosen up. Don't be too tense. You're going to want to loosen up. And to take that proper posture and walk, you're going to then just move your feet and let your arms sort of swing naturally. Nothing like this. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. Naturally. Just like that. As much as they want to move, you're going to let them move that much. For some people, their arms move a lot more. For some people, it's just a little bit less. But as much as your arms want to move, you're going to let them move that much. Very, very, very simple. That is proper posture. Okay, I showed you how to get into the proper posture position, and then I showed you how to walk with that proper posture. And it is that simple. That's it. Use it, and you can look much better and feel much better while you're walking and just generally when you're standing. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.